A common raccoon can skillfully unlock complex latches in mere seconds, baffling even experienced human puzzle makers. Their nimble paws and sharp minds solve problems that often stump other highly intelligent animal species easily. Humans frequently underestimate the incredible problem-solving abilities found throughout the diverse animal kingdom. Yet, some creatures possess a surprising knack for manipulating objects, much like turning a simple doorknob. This impressive dexterity goes far beyond mere instinct, showcasing genuine cognitive understanding and remarkable adaptability. Understanding these behaviors reveals fascinating insights into how different species perceive and interact with their environments. Their ability to open containers or navigate obstacles often determines their very survival in challenging habitats. Such intelligence challenges our conventional definitions of animal smarts and manipulative capabilities significantly. Raccoons, with their incredibly sensitive paws, are perhaps the most famous animal escape artists globally. Each tiny digit contains thousands of nerve endings, providing a detailed tactile map of any object they touch. They meticulously explore every crevice and mechanism, building a mental model of the puzzle before them. Imagine their paws like miniature hands, capable of feeling even the slightest imperfections or hidden levers. Raccoons often observe human actions, learning how we open doors or containers through careful, repeated observation. This observational learning is crucial. They don't just guess, they strategically apply learned solutions effectively. But that's not the strangest part about their incredible problem-solving prowess and adaptive intelligence. They possess an exceptional memory for successful solutions, applying them efficiently to similar challenges later on. Researchers have documented raccoons turning actual doorknobs, lifting latches, and even unscrewing jar lids with ease. One famous experiment showed a raccoon repeatedly unlocking a complex multi-stage puzzle box designed for primates. Their persistence is remarkable. They will try different angles and forces until the challenging mechanism finally yields. Wait until you hear what comes next about their unique approach to navigating human-built environments. This adaptability allows them to thrive in diverse environments, from dense forests to bustling urban landscapes successfully. Solving isn't passing limited to food. They often manipulate objects to create safer dens or escape predators quickly. And then something unexpected happened. Some even teach their young these learned manipulation techniques effectively. They're learning, they often generations. Their brain structure shows a proportionally large somatosensory cortex, dedicated specifically to processing tactile information. This specialized processing gives them an unparalleled understanding of object shapes, textures, and internal mechanisms. Think of it like having super-sensitive fingertips that can see through solid materials, discerning intricate details. They use their keen sense of smell alongside touch, identifying food sources hidden within seemingly impenetrable containers. Scientists discovered that raccoons can even differentiate between objects based purely on their weight and density. This advanced sensory integration allows them to make informed decisions about how to approach new manipulation challenges.
But their intelligence extends beyond mere physical manipulation and into complex strategic thinking. They have been observed using simple tools, like rocks, to dislodge stubborn items or pry open tight lids.
This tool use demonstrates an understanding of physics and leverage, a cognitive leap once thought exclusive to primates. Their foraging strategies often involve multiple steps, planning ahead to overcome various obstacles in sequence. For example, a raccoon might open one container to access a tool, then use that tool to open another. This chain of actions requires foresight and an ability to hold multiple objectives in their working memory. And then something truly surprising occurred during studies on their problem-solving persistence. Raccoons consistently outperform other animals, including some monkeys, on tests requiring fine motor skill and logic. Their ability to remember and adapt previous solutions means they rarely make the same mistake twice. They continuously refine their techniques, becoming more efficient and quicker at solving familiar doorknob puzzles. This continuous learning cycle makes them incredibly formidable opponents for any locked trash can or sealed container.
Their nocturnal habits also contribute, allowing them to practice these complex manipulations under the cover of darkness. They operate with stealth and precision, often leaving little trace of their clever, successful breaking and entering attempts.
The sheer variety of mechanisms they can defeat speaks volumes about their cognitive flexibility and ingenuity. From simple latches to child-proof locks, many human-designed deterrents prove no match for their persistent minds. It's like they possess an innate understanding of mechanical principles, which they apply with astonishing accuracy. This incredible skill set is not just for survival. Sometimes, it seems they manipulate for sheer curiosity. They investigate new objects thoroughly, seemingly just to understand their functionality and potential uses. Wait until you consider the implications of this widespread, natural problem-solving ability in the wild. These doorknob-like behaviors reveal a sophisticated cognitive toolkit, far beyond simple trial-and-error learning. It demonstrates their capacity for abstract thought, understanding cause-and-effect relationships with remarkable clarity. This intelligence impacts their survival, allowing them to exploit new resources and adapt to changing conditions. Their ability to outsmart human attempts at exclusion highlights their incredible resilience and ingenuity consistently. We learn valuable lessons about animal sentience and the varied forms intelligence can take across species. These clever creatures remind us that the natural world holds countless mysteries waiting for our careful observation. Their very existence challenges our anthropocentric views, proving intelligence isn't solely a human domain. Ultimately, these doorknob masters show us the extraordinary power of adaptation and problem-solving in wildlife. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the animal kingdom and share your favorite clever animal in the comments below.